my beautiful souls. Welcome to शुक्रवार है वाले ब्लॉग्स में just with Tattva, the essence of life. You may think that I'm too excited for today. Well, actually the thing is, yes, I am, and because I have a very recently invented, secret to share with you guys. Should I? Yes? Okay, but before that, just you need to subscribe to my channel because this secret is between you guys and me, and I don't want anyone else to find it about it. Okay, so जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब करो अगर किया नहीं है तो, और ये वीडियो को लाइक और कमेंट पास करना मत भूलना, ठीक है? लाइक तो कर दो जल्दी से. कर दिया? सब्सक्राइब भी कर दिया? Okay, I'll tell you this secret. So my today's recommendation is based on this recently invented, secret. So listen to this very carefully. It may sound a bit confusing, but yeah, try to understand it. I'm here to declutter it later, but listen to this. Okay? So the secret is, if you can see it in your dreams and feel it in your dreams, you can hold it in your hands. It's awesome, right? Okay, so I'm sure you might have got a hint about what movie that I'm going to recommend you today, and it's not a documentary if you have thought about it. No, and it's not going to be boring wala. It's a actual story based है जो आप enjoy कर सकते हो and get motivated also at the same time. So my today's recommendation is based on manifestation, and movie's name is बता ही देती हूँ, चलो कोई ना. Okay, so the movie's name is basically The Secret, Dare to Dream. It's not that first secret that we had heard about and seen about जिसके ऊपर books निकली है. No, this is actually a movie. You can watch this movie. It's a 2020 film released on I don't know कौन से OTT पे है, I have no idea, but yes, you can definitely find it on YouTube because I have seen this movie on YouTube. So yeah, you can go check that movie out. The things that I learned from this movie is most important thing, guys, and it teaches you very well. The thing I learned from this is the secret that I shared with you. If you can dream it, if you can see it in your eyes and feel it that you are getting that thing, then only you can achieve it. वरना वो नसीब में होगा ना तो भी नहीं आता है. For example, this story is about a woman who lost her husband in some sort of accident or invention or something like that. I won't disclose the whole story, and she already has 2 kids. She has been suffering a lot, and she had gave up on all sort of hopes, and everything. She was like, I know at one point I'm going to lose everything. तो उसके नसीब में एक miracle आता है, but she is not getting that miracle until and unless she believes in miracles. Same thing happens in our day-to-day life also, guys. जब तक हम वो चीज़ believe नहीं करते, हमारे नसीब में होते हुए भी we do not achieve those things. So I would suggest go watch this out movie, change your life to 360 degrees, bring all the optimism, bring all the positivity back to your life, and believe in miracles. Basically, this movie teaches you to have faith, believe in miracles, and as I said, if you can see it in your dreams, feel it in your brain, you can definitely get it in your hands. So get your mind accustomed to that rule, and things may come to you from all the sides. Trust me, I don't have a specific source like यहाँ से आएगा वहाँ से आएगा, but trust me, God has a very unique way of giving things to you in a different way. You just need to believe Him. He says that. So go watch this movie out. Let me know if you believe in this or not, and how did you felt about this movie. I'll see you next time. Same place, same time as usual. Till that time, hasta la vista, sayonara, and Hari Om.